So this can mean a few things. Maintenance, I'm adding something, or I'm trying to fix something. Well, this time is the latter one. Trying to fix something. So I got this P0300 and P0301 codes, which means number one, cylinder is misfiring. I've checked the YouTube. A bunch of people are kind of chasing a problem here with those codes. You can see a lot better here the coil. This one's hidden, so everything above it needs to come off. So try to chase this little issue here. Alright, so the coil was replaced. This is the one. Of course, you can't really see anything in it. If it's good or bad or whatever. Those interested can see the part number right here. There you go. But what's really interesting to me at this point is the spark plug. It looks pretty dirty. Of course, that's my dog. Here, a little more contrast. Yeah, so that's the interesting part over there. I've seen people complain about some coolant getting inside the cylinder, having some issues there. I don't know, head gasket might look, well, deceivingly probably good. There are no leaks anywhere that I can see. Clear the codes, and we'll, oh man, my dog is in competition here with me, and we'll see how it goes. Let you guys know. Thanks for watching.